Hello, dear friends. We were discussing on the Dread Departure, the drama written by Satish Alika, and some characteristics as well as Baurav's survival and after death demands on the son's part a continuous operation against the stench of a rotting body. The deodorants used to stop the spreading of bad or rotting smell of the body. So, in the ruthless desecration of death and the dead body itself is played a profanation of the rituals of death. And as the rituals degenerate in farce, what stands out in the liberalization of dead man's wife and son? The former finding it in her freedom to fantasize a new love affair, the latter in his new-found power and the insurance money. Son is thinking about the insurance money of Bhaurav after his death, and his wife Rama is thinking about her freedom to fantasize a new love affair. What his son says, I am in business now, capital 8,000 and a handsome mother. So my father, burn brightly your heart's content. Here is a big log for your chest and a sandalwood chip for your head. Here are dung chips to cover you. Burn now and burst into flame. So this is the quotation in the mouth of the son of Bahurav, and that reflects what exactly his son is thinking about his father, dead father. So such kind of a ridiculous thoughts in the mind of his son is reflected in his dialogue. So Baurav's death has a cathartic effect on his family and his community alike. Alekar explains, as Nana gives fire to his father's body, he sees his own desires. He says, Father died suddenly, lifting a curtain from over my mind, and all my thoughts appeared on stage. So this is Aleka's explanation about the death of Bhaurav. Though Nana, Bhaurav's friend, gave fire to to Bhaurav, he sees his own desires in it. Such feelings were there in the mind of Alekar when his father died suddenly. who lifted a curtain from the mind of Alikar, and all his thoughts appeared on stage. The thoughts that appear are vicious and dirty. The dam which has burst will be repaired only after a fire takes over, like a curtain falling and hiding the dirty thoughts behind. The last sign of the body's existence on this planet is the skull cracking. There is an evidence of skull cracking. You might have experienced such evidence when you are the member of any funeral. If the body burns after some time, perhaps 20 to 50, 20 to 25 minutes, after 20 to 25 minutes, there is a big sound of cracking a skull. And after that, each and everybody leaves the place. So this is an important event of almost any funeral, almost all the funerals. So skull cracking has an importance in itself. The curtain cannot fall before this happens. Curtain cannot fall because cracking of skull declares that the funeral is over now. The mind cannot be restrained till that happens. Mind cannot be restrained because only after the cracking of the skull, funeral members are allowed to leave the place. The mind cannot restrain till that happens. So on the mridang, we hear the breaking of the skull and the play ends. Here Satish Alekar used mridang to show the cracking of the skull at the end, and then the play ends. The one thing that the reader will miss in this otherwise excellent translation is the rich irony of the music of the songs. Actually, this is a rich irony of the music of the songs. There are many songs related to this funeral procession, and all these songs are beautiful, but the music also is equally beautiful. Side by side with the two different kinds of kirtanas, the more traditional style associated with the dead Bhaurao and the more modern style for the mourners. Alekar sets Bhaurao's old crematorium, sung to the tune of Blessed Are the Meek, and lets him sing a Hindi film song in his drunken courtship of his wife. So he tried to blend old tradition as well as new generation and new tradition together in this drama. So this is a brief and very short type of explanation about Satish Alekar's The Dread Departure. In my next video, we will go in detail of this drama so that we will understand properly the plot, construction, characterization, theme, and other aspects of drama properly. So, thank you. We will see in my next lecture about the drama The Dread Departure by Sati Chalika. Thank you very much.